Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, this is a microwave, and there's a phone lying in the microwave. And we're gonna ring this, call this, dial this phone. And now I first gonna dial with the door of the microwave often open. Let's try. Let's call. Wait a moment. As you can see, it's ringing, it's working. But now we're gonna go a step further. As you can, wait a moment until the display goes off. Waiting. This phone is a dead phone. Its radiation should not penetrate the door of a microwave oven. Now we're going to close the door. The phone should not ring. Let's try to call this phone. As you can see, it's ringing just like that. Let's listen. Well, the conclusion is simple. Microwaves do not shield against radiation. I tried this with my mobile phone too, and the electromagnetic waves are not shielded at all.